Alright, so my first video that I worked all day on did not come through on TikTok, so I deleted it. The second one with just the music, it didn't have the voiceover, is on there. However, the container that I used, it's from Amazon. It's if you ever order a Chinese takeout, they put the sweet and sour stuff in it. It's that exact same one. You can get it on Amazon. It is the exact proportion of egg that you should have. So the reason why I have, I didn't show all of them. I have like 14, I think it's 14 of them portioned out, is because it's for me and Andy for this next week. Then if you have that much and you have the pan, you just set it as 2 cartons. So if you use 2 egg white cartons, trust me, $3.50, 2 hours. Don't even bother with it. It's going to take 2 hours. Like, it's going to take that long. If you have 1 carton, it's going to be 1 hour at $3.50. If you have the same type of pan that I had. But the container that I portioned it out on, that is, I can't say when I actually, years ago I measured it and it ended up being that exact amount, and that's how I know that that portion is correct for eggs. So if you are lifting weights or anything like that, like this would be a breakfast, and then you'd have it again at like after dinner if you're lifting weights. If you're not lifting weights, mornings, right? Like, just, you don't need like additional protein. If you have a football player or anything like that, that's they're lifting any kind of sport like that, you have an athlete kid that is doing anything, any type of activity like that where they need more protein in it, definitely make it for them. One thing that I tried to add in the first video and I couldn't put in this one was I actually did order breakfast sausage to go in it, and it didn't come. I think the store was out of it. So I just did vegetables and stuff like that. Now I usually will throw, like for the next Sunday, whatever vegetables, if they're still good, cheese, vegetables, anything like that, I'll throw in there, because it doesn't matter. It cooks down. It's good. Anything like you like in an omelet. You could do ham, you could do bacon, you could do breakfast sausage, of course. You could do, I've done broccoli before in it, and it was good. Like tomatoes, anything that you have left over from the week, throw it in that pan with that egg. I'm telling you, it's really, really good. Salt and pepper it. You heat it up in the microwave for like 30 plus seconds, and it's good. And it's protein. It's nothing but protein. And if you add the veggies, of course, it has the nutrients from the veggies. So I did add that on the original video, but not that much detail. So I wanted to give y'all a heads up on that 4 minutes later. And I know we have the attention span of fruit flies, so nobody's gonna watch this tip.